Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Antoinette Meneses. I am 30 years old. I am married. I have 2 children, 2 and 11 years old. I have 2 years experience in Philippines, taking care babies, 5 months and 4 years old. I am cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, marketing, and laundry. I help the 4 years old go to school and play with them. I have 6 months experience in Hong Kong, looking for a new employer. My duties are taking care babies, 6 months and 4 years old, cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and sometimes car wash, and sometimes taking care the 2 dogs. I help the 4 years old go to school and some activities, and play with them and help to shower. I am kind, honest, trustworthy, hardworking. If you hire me, I will do my best to finish my contract and follow your instruction. Thank you.